Hello folks, this is George with On Point Contractors. Just letting you know we got a sale going on today. It's going to last a few days. It's 20% off all our services. Includes everything: sprinkler repair, SOD installation, tree services, landscaping, you name it, we do it. You can check out our website at onpointdfw.com. Give me a call at 214-604-9432 is a direct line to me, or you can call 214-702-1902. You can text or call, doesn't matter. Fill out the form. You can get to us. If you need sprinkler repair, you can go to our website, or you can go to sprinklerleakrepair.com, sprinklerleakrepair.com. Fill out the form. We'll get to you ASAP. And I just want to take time to thank all the customers that hired us and trusted us to do a great job on your fence or your sprinkler system, or install a sprinkler system, do your trees, give you professional service that you deserve for your hard-earned money. We're not like a lot of companies out there that just focus on getting the job done and leaving. We want to do a great job for you. We appreciate your business, and we look forward to giving you a free estimate on whatever you need to take advantage of this sale. So go ahead, go to our website now, onpointdfw.com, fill out the form. I or my son will call you, or someone else will call you to set up the appointment. We look forward to meeting you and getting your sod done, basically a new lawn. If you need grass and it's all muddy and nasty and you want a new lawn, we can do that for you. St. Augustine, Bermuda, Zoysia. We can fix your sprinkler system. We can do your trees. We can do your landscaping. We can do your fence, sliding gates, board-on-board fence, all that. So give us a call when you can, 214-702-1902. Go to our website, onpointdfw.com. See you soon. Thank you.